technology, also organizing team for making this possible. Without your tireless support,
wide and how innovative our field was. Technology here at National University Baliwag.
Good morning, everyone! What is Notion? Ayan. First of all, thank you kay Notion for sponsoring our event.
Hello, I'm Sir Ben Ken, the advisor of GDSC NUB. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our co-collaborators for this GDSC Bulldogs 2024, NU Fairview, NU Manila, and ITSP, NU Clark. I would also like to thank our Executive Director, Sir Rafi Oliva, our Academic Director, Sir Jason Bermudez, our Dean, Dean Jeneline Columna, and our Program Chair, Sir Eric Campano. So thank you very much po, and I hope you enjoy our event.
I'm Mikey Gonzaga, the advisor of GDSC NU Fairview. So, thank you for supporting this event, especially to our executive directors in NU Fairview, as well as with NU Baliwag. We want you to show kung anong kaya i-offer sa inyo ni GDSC. And with that, thank you for coming, students, faculty who supported this event. Ayan. Thank you!
Ako po si Zarina Criselas Suarez, the current GDSC lead of NU Fairview. I would like to give thanks po sa aking advisor to coordinate po the event with the heads, as well as the GDSC NU Baliwag and GDSC NU Manila for organizing this event po. Without your help, this event wouldn't be successful as we imagine. And lastly, thank you po sa mga nag-sponsor po talaga ng event po namin, which is Notion, Building 126, and Hustle Grounds. Sobrang thank you po sa help niyo po sa event po namin. Without your help po, hindi po magiging successful yung implementation po ng event po namin.
My name is Mark Alan Dean. I am the current GDSC lead from the National University Manila campus. And I would like to thank all of the collaborated partners, especially with the GDSC NU Fairview and the GDSC NU Baliwag for having us here for this wonderful event.
I am Caril Rochelle C. Santiago, the lead of GDSC NU Baliwag, and I am very happy to be here and being the organizer of this event together with GDSC NU Fairview and GDSC NU Manila. And first of all, then gusto ko pasalamatan lahat ng mga dumalo sa event namin. NU Clark, NU Laguna, NU Fairview, ayan, NU Manila. So sa lahat ng mga NU chapters na dumalo, plus yung mga other universities na dito sa Bulacan na naging interested sa event namin, which is the GDSC Bulldogs 2024. Of course, we would like to thank the sponsor, Building 126, and Notion, Hustle Ground. We will enjoy the rest of the event, and thank you so much sa pagdalo.
For a little moment, just hold me closer.